Maya Faisal Khan.
It's me, Zarmeen Faisal Khan.
And you're watching Sisters on the Go.
Welcome back to our channel.
So it's usually you always see yapping and talking about stuff, about important topics of life. But today I've got my sister.
Zarmeen, you are gonna have a different change like hata ke food or shopping ko, so I'll be here talking something very serious. And I'm not serious, pehli baat to ye.
Yeah, exactly.
Please compromise with me.
She's gonna bring humor to this topic that we're gonna be covering today.
और मुझे कहीं पे भी किसी पॉइंट पे एकदम से हंसी आ जाती है तो इसलिए just compromise with me.
So the title or the topic for today is that you were never too small to start, and it's inspired by Zohran Mamdani,
the new mayor of New York City.
So sometimes we see big names on the TV, on the news, like people who just made it, like Zohran Mamdani, the young guy who became the mayor of New York City, and we go like wow, that's insane. But what we do not realize is that the big story, that what is behind that every big story, it's the tiniest, quietest first step. So we do not realize that the tiny step the person took, the quietest step, the first step they took, that now is an inspiring story. The guy who is winning hearts from his speeches, from what he has achieved.
It's not about politics, it's not about fame, it's about the courage. And just believe me that even you start with the small thing, you can come up with something very huge. So yeah, just take a step and then it will turn into something very big.
Zohran Mamdani's story is just one example. So yeah, he didn't wait, to be ready, because you were never ready. When you're gonna wait it out, आप wait करेंगे कि this is ये time आता है, so I'll start, I'll proceed, I'll take the first initiative इस time पे आके. So you'll never make it, because that right time never comes. It's always whenever you realize that ये चीज़ होनी है, start it at that moment. Because the right time is the moment when you want to do it. The right time is not, वो आपको बताया नहीं जाता कि ये right time है. Right time is decided by you. So whenever you want to start, that's the right time. And he just started it. He believed himself. He believed that he could do something meaningful, and he did. And that's the whole point of that.
And that's what we will be talking today, that maybe you will be just sitting and thinking that what to do, but we are here to cheer you up and to guide you that no guy, you can do it, you can make it, because you just need to trust in yourself. So just come on, stand up, do something.
And guess what? No one ever really feels ready. No one, we all are scared, we are all confused and unsure. The difference is, the answer is when to start. Some start anyways. You have to start anyways. Whether you started 10 months later or you start at the moment, you have to take the first step. So why do wait it out? Why do we procrastinate about stuff we know we have to do at one point? Like Zohran Mamdani, if you see the chart of his, the mayors on the chart of the New York City who were in the election, was standing in the election, he was on the 9th number. His chances were one person, which is exactly not possible, but still he never gave up. He did not give up till the last moment, and he made such a huge difference. Not that I'm saying that being in a state which is being in a place where Muslims are not given where the majority is not a Muslim, it's not a Muslim state, the majority is not non-Muslims. He is the kind of person who stood by his faith, by his religion, spoke up for it, and has won hearts of not only Muslims but also non-Muslims, and is in the position of a mayor in the New York City. The only thing he did was never give up. He did not quit. He believed in himself. He knew that his efforts will be fruitful one day, will make a change, will bring an impact.
Every dream and whatever invention you admire just begins when you say that no, I'll try. Try means that you will give at least your 50%, and when you say I'm going to try, then slowly you realize that no, I can do it.
And sometimes people will doubt you, people will demotivate you,
people are there to judge you, but you don't have to think that अगर कोई मुझे बोल रहा है कि मैं नहीं कर सकता तो आप बैठ जाएं. This is not how you perform.
Because sometimes there are a lot of people will be there in your life who will always stand by your side, will be there at your back, will be there in your front. But there are also people who will want to bring you down. No matter, they might have that, they'll be disguised in a appearance that you will, feel like they are with you, but they're not. They really want to bring you down, but you have to just stay by be firm on your belief that you can do it, and that firm belief will take you to the success or the position you want to go to. In any limit to any dream, if you dream it, you can do it. आप कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं सोचते हैं जो पॉसिबल ना हो. जो चीज़ पॉसिबल, जो अल्लाह ताला या गॉड brings that thing into your mind, because that मे बी, क्योंकि आपका ह्यूमन ब्रेन अगर उस चीज़ को सोच सकता है तो मे बी इट्स पॉसिबल, बिकॉज हम वो सोच ही नहीं सकते जो हो ही नहीं सकता. सो जो हम सोच रहे हैं वो पॉसिबल है, एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट Zurhan Mamdani did. Again, his chances were almost to none. He did not have any sponsors. He did not have anyone behind his back, to sponsor him for the election campaigns. It all started back in January 2025, 10 months ago, when the election campaign started. He was there himself on the roads, people, in the New York City, distributing flyers and, holding up posters, taking interviews, telling people to vote for him. He did all that. He did not have anyone's back, any billionaire's back, any political, he did not belong from a dynasty of political party. He started on his own, and he has made it true that efforts really count, and they definitely are fruitful one day. They'll be fruitful one day.
People were not there for him. Who, like, one thing was there with him, and that was the God, Bhagwan, Allah, God. Basically, God is one, but we cater it with different religions. के हिंदू का भगवान, Islam में Allah, and Christianity में it's God, Jesus. So no one was there with him, but he just believed one God. So अभी अगर you are thinking कि मेरे साथ कोई नहीं है, no one is there with you, so just believe in yourself and your God. I'm telling you guys, you will one day stand and you will say that no, with the help of God I am here. So whatever you are doing, at least tell to the people that whatever I am, like right now, it's just because of the God. In fact, me and Maya, whatever we are, it's just because of our parents and with the God. So just trust to your God.
You don't want to be a mayor. You do not want, maybe you want to start a YouTube channel or business, or even something. You want to give an exam which feels very tough. You want to give an interview for a job. Whatever you want to do, just never give up. Never feel like you won't be able to do, or someone more portfolio than you, a higher portfolio than you will make it there, or they have got the back of a big huge family, a very supportive family, so that's why they'll only make it. No, it's not that. When you believe in yourself, anything is possible. You do not get success on how powerful you are. You get success based on how consistent you are. Like, अगर आप consistent हैं, अगर आप, you are not giving up, you are just giving all your efforts. If you have decided that you want to achieve this goal and you want to do this, then you can do that. Like, my goal for me, for me, the goal for me is to reach the level of success I have planned, to be an inspiration for the people out there, and to be a symbol of pride for my parents, and do all the great stuff I can. And I do not care if I get to that point while becoming a doctor, a CA, a businessman, or a lawyer, or any other stuff. I just want to reach that point where I can, people would look up to me and would say, wow, that's insane. Like, we have seen her from the day one, and we know what kind of, the kind of story that she has written for herself. I want to be that. I want to have that impact on the world. I want to make a change in this world, because when you dream something, you can do it. And I'm the kind of person, when I stick by some rule, when I stick by to my goal, I will do anything. I will go to any extent to get that thing. And when it comes to my life decisions, I'll do anything to get them. And obviously, staying in my morals and ethics. Do whatever you can to get to that point. Do not leave. Do not give up from that dream. If you want to, the main goal is to be successful and do great things, then just hop onto that boat and go for that. So whatever you decide to do, stick to that no matter what, because nothing is impossible. The obstacle that you have in your life is yourself. When you overcome yourself, when you overcome the fears within you, there's nothing in this world that could stop you. You're just unstoppable. You are magical. You are just capable of so many great things, and this is what I say in every single video. So do not ever forget that. But I hope you do get to learn a lot of things from Zohran Mamdani and from personalities like him. You get to learn positive things that they have done. Search about them, see them, what the kind of stories, not just the things that they are being shown on the social media and that comes on your reels. When you see something like that, research about it. See, the only thing people know is that Zohran Mamdani is a Muslim. He stands for Palestine, and he became New York's mayor. But when you have read all this, when you have seen all this, go into the detail, what kind of struggle he has gone through. Like the people we see every day, like day to day, aajkal ke jo bacche hain, they know about Messi.
Especially boys.
Yeah, especially boys. Like Messi, Ronaldo, Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg. They're the kind of people who took years reaching to that point. The kind of fame, the kind of fan base they have is not something you get within a night. It took them years, more than 10 years to reach that point. And during those years, they faced a lot of failures as well, a lot of rejections as well. But iska matlab ye to nahi tha na that they're not capable of doing great things. They're one of the greatest people of this time, of 21st century. The kind, agar koi bhi, even a 5-year-old will know who Ronaldo is, who CR07 is, who Messi is, who's Elon Musk. Like my brother, who is just 9 years old, is older than 5-year-olds, but still he's very young. He's 9-year-old. He's quoting stuff that Elon Musk says in his interviews, in his press conferences, what Ronaldo says. He's quoting those stuff, and we're like, jaw dropped. Like, how do you know that? And he says things like, which makes us see the life with a different perspective. So keep going, keep believing, and you're never too small. You're just getting started. Start whenever वाली जो एक वो होती है phrase, कल करे सो आज करे सो अब. So start whenever you're seeing this video. Just give yourself another chance and give yourself chances every single time, because अगर आप अपने आप को खुद माफ़ नहीं करेंगे, अपने आप को खुद chances नहीं देंगे, तो फिर कौन देगा? So yeah, that is it for today's video
vlog.
and today's video, and I hope you learned something from this. And yeah, bye guys.
Bye guys.